Today we are going to discuss about Education 4.0. What is Education 4.0? It is a desired learning approach that is in alignment with the emerging fourth industrial revolution. This revolution focuses on smart technology, artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of Things, and much more, which has become a part of our day-to-day life. Therefore, if our educational system wants to create successful graduates, we have to equip them to work in industries where these cyber-physical systems are the new reality. What are the characteristics of Education 4.0? Learning can happen anywhere, anytime with the help of educational apps and pedagogies by providing an unprecedented opportunity for remote self-paced learning. Flipped classrooms will become increasingly popular with interactive lessons in the classroom and theories are learned at home. Students decide how they have to learn, choosing from the digital tools and pedagogies such as blended learning, flipped classrooms, and BYOD, that means bring your own device. Project-based learning will become increasingly popular with students has to apply their knowledge and skills in completing short-term projects. Next, students will be assessed differently with the conventional platforms to assess the learning outcomes becoming obsolete or irrelevant. Factual knowledge will be assessed inside the classroom, while the knowledge application will be tested with the help of performance in field tests or assignments. Students will become more independent with self-study becoming more popular and teachers transforming to facilitators. How you can equip yourself for Education 4.0? Education 4.0 empowers teachers and educators by providing them with digital tools to make their jobs easier. For example, an educational tool like Fedina will help the teachers communicate better with their students. So, in a nutshell, Education 4.0 helps the teachers to be better at their job and at the same time improves the student learning outcomes. So, that is about Education 4.0.